How to enable auto connect to VPN in Avast SecureLine VPN for Android. Install and activate SecureLine VPN. To download Avast SecureLine VPN, refer to the following article, Installing Avast SecureLine VPN for Android. To activate Avast SecureLine VPN for Android, refer to the following article, Activating Avast SecureLine VPN for Android. Enable Avast SecureLine VPN to connect automatically. Avast SecureLine VPN can be used anytime you want to connect to the internet with extra security and privacy, and is especially recommended when you are connected to a public or unsecured wireless network. On SecureLine VPN when connected to an unsecured Wi-Fi network. 1. Tap the Avast SecureLine VPN icon on your device's home screen to open the app. 2. Tap the settings icon, then select Auto Connect to VPN. 3. Tap the slider so that it changes to on. 4. Avast SecureLine VPN will now connect automatically when your device connects to an unsecured Wi-Fi network. If SecureLine VPN is unable to establish a connection, refer to the following article, What should I do if SecureLine is unable to establish a connection? Later.